Hello everyone, welcome to Market Insights. With the pandemic, the whole world is facing this issue that we have never faced before. This aggressive depreciation of the rupee, is it going to affect the market too negatively?
For the listed companies, I don't see it won't be a big of a negative because most of our companies, we are more export related and tourism and such. So import, the depreciation is good for the market, I would say, for the companies. The companies are making better profits. Mainly the import bills are like for the oil imports, the gas, the machineries and certain things. Those are the main like car imports, which are not much into the stock market, those are related. So if you see the companies that are listed in the stock exchange, they are benefiting out of the depreciations. So manufacturing, exporting, all those things have a positive impact. And also the foreigners also always have been looking at a proper depreciation of the currency for them to re-enter the market. So now the rupee has gone around 200 rupees. I think it might be a good time for the foreigners to come back again because of the depreciation. But I don't think so depreciation is going to keep continuing like this. Government will take certain controls. I think when the debt situations, I think they're getting the loans and they're repaying. We never had the default. So there are unnecessary negative thoughts are put in saying that we might default and all those things. But I don't think so. We are never, in our history, we are never defaulted. And I believe that going forward also we will be able to get over that situation. I think also even the rating agencies also giving negative time to time. But now even like the World Bank has given a positive thing for this year, our economy should grow better. So overall, I still have a positive thought for the market, except the tourism industry at the moment we are facing because of the COVID situation. But once that also settles, it also should be a benefit for the listed companies. But other than that, most of the companies I don't see that are affected. Even you take a garment industry or anything, it's still there are imports, but there's more value added on it. So you take your tea exports to your manufacturing to most of the other actually it's a benefit for the listed, but overall maybe for the economy or this thing there can be certain negatives like the cost of living going up and kinds of things. But as the question for your listed companies, I don't think so it won't be a negative because lots of companies have even gone overseas also. So their incomes also are coming when they translate it, they are getting a better returns. Even the banks, I think when there's like a depreciation like this, there's a big gap. When they make lots of money, when there's a big spread in the currency. So overall, I think listed companies should enjoy this.